So just got home from our 5 days trip in Vietnam, and today I'll just share with you, especially if you're like me na have back pain issues. I'll just share things that I normally bring when traveling, especially yung mga bags that I'm currently using right now. If you travel more often, stick around because baka makatulong sa inyo yung tips that I will share in this video. And also yung mga gears that I'm currently using when I'm shooting outside. Let's start with the Thinktank Airport navigator. Ito yung one of my favorite bag. Ito yung one of my favorite bag na ginagamit when traveling. Kasi naiikot na siya. Yung wheels niya, naiikot na ng 360 degrees. And you have a compartment here that you can store different lenses, travel equipments, memory cards. Meron din ditong zipper where you can put your other things like wires, batteries, etc. Dito sa side pocket, I normally put my gimbal here. Dito ko nilalagay yung gimbal ko pag nasa airport. And water bottle here. My laptop, normally here. Ito yung loob niya. Yan. So, great thing with this setup, pag nag-travel kasi ako, I have this Nomatic 13-liter sling as my go-to bag. Ito na yung ginagamit ko pag when going outside. And as much as possible, I want to pack light na kaya accommodate itong bag. The very essential lenses lang yung ginadala ko, and the camera body and other equipments nandito sa 13-liter sling. Yung ginagawa ko, I just put everything in here. Yung 13-liter sling ko and the Thinktank Airport Navigator version 2. So pag nasa airport ako, I don't need to carry my sling, 13-liter sling. Kasi kahit papano mabigat din to eh. Mabigat din yung laman niya. So ito na yung dala-dala ko. And great thing about this bags, pwede mo silang hand carry. Hand carry sila both. So the airport navigator is usually nasa compartment. And this one, the 13-liter sling, I have it with me. And I just put it below the seat. Sorry about the noise. May ginagawa. So for the gears that I usually use, especially pag nasa labas na, pakita ko sa inyo. Sorry for the super messy table. So normally, what I have here is also a messy bag. So this is my most used setup. This is a Sony a7S III paired with the 24-70 G Master Mark II. It has a Black Promise 1.8 and variable ND filter, Nisi variable ND filter. So share ko lang why this setup, the 24mm, 24-70 G Master Mark II and the Sony a7S III is my most used setup for travel because the 24-70 almost cover everything, lahat ng wide, mid, tight shots, lahat in just a single lens. The 24-70 G Master Mark II is I think is the lightest 24-70 in the market right now. And also this is a 2.8 lens. So pairing it with a dual native ISO camera like the a7S III, you can shoot 60 frames per second slow motion footages in low light. No problem with this setup. So that's the reason why I really love this setup in 24-70 paired with the a7S III. 24mm G Master and 16mm the one that I'm shooting with. Ito naman dalawa, mostly for my gimbal works. The 16mm and the 24mm G Master are my wide lens kasi kaya naman to i-pair sa gimbal, kaya lang hirap yung motors ng RS4 Mini. So, I usually shoot with this handheld. And the 16 and 24 are for my gimbal works. And depends on the type of shoot that I will do. I normally have 85, 50, and 35. Either one of those three. Pero ang most na gamit ko is the 50mm because I really love the look of the shots using the 50mm. But if I want to exaggerate things, or may mga things ako na need kunan from afar, then this would be this will be the lens for that, the 85mm. Also, depende rin sa situation, I can replace all these three prime lenses with a zoom lens like the 70-200 or the 70-180 Tamron when I will be needing a telephoto lens if I am shooting subjects from afar. If kunwari, I'll shoot a racetrack or something that needed extra longer focal length, then I would probably bring the Tamron 70-180 or the 70-200. I have this power bank, microphone, the Sony ECM Mark 1. Ito rin, sobrang helpful tool. This is a small rig magic arm. Blower. Spare batteries and also spare cards. One good thing with this pneumatic 13-liter sling, it also has a compartment here where you can store your iPad or laptop. Pero for me, when traveling, I don't usually bring laptop or put laptop here dahil sobrang bigat niya na and super sakit sa likod. And pretty much that's it. So, ayun, if you have a question or you have anything you want to clarify, just comment it down below. And I hope you learned something in this video. And I hope to see you soon.